What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front seat switch on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I want to remove this handle. I'm just going to take a right angle pick. I'm going to have to hold this handle up while I do this, and then from the back side, use the pick, get underneath there. Once you get it past, then it'll slide right off. I just ruined the plastic a little bit, but it'll be okay. So I need to remove these screws. There's 3 of them. There's one right here. I'm gonna use a T20, a extension and a ratchet. One there. There's one in the front here. And then there's one in the back here. Where is it? Right there. Right, with all those out, you just take this part of the handle. And it might be easier to just recline this a little bit. Slide that out. Twist it over. We can disconnect this electrical connector from the back side, push down on the button, slide the connector off, and there's the panel. First we want to take this button off. We can take a straight blade screwdriver, just get underneath it, or even a trim tool. Just gonna pry it up, just like that on one side, same on the other side. It's just clipped in right there and right there. Flip it over. I'm just gonna apply a little pressure from this side while I take my straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath these little retainers here. Try to push up on that. Right there. And then same on this side. And right there. Oops. Pull the switch out. Here's the old switch. Here's the new seat switch from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shape is the same. All these buttons are the same. The connector is the same. All the retainers are the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you can do it yourself. Now we're going to take the new switch, just slide it into position with the connector going that way, lock it in place, take the new button, slide it in position, lock it in place. Now we're just going to take this trim and take the connector, we'll plug the connector in, make sure it locks in place. Before I actually attach this, just try it real quick, make sure everything works. Goes forward and back, goes up and down in the front, down in the back. So everything works perfect. Now we can slide the trim back on. Slide this back in position, just like that. Then I can put the screws back in. Line that screw hole up. I'm just gonna get them all started first, using the T20 socket and extension. Get that one started as well, and the back one. All right, once you get them all started, then you can go back with a ratchet and just snug them down. Just snug. That's good. Now to install this handle, I'm just gonna pull up on this lever. Kind of hard to do this. Just gotta muscle it up a little bit and then slide this in position. Just like that. Lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.